Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the People plugin of RedmineUP on Windows operating system that uses Bitnami Redmine. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest Pro version, which in our situation is 1.6.2. If you use the light free version, then you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and then you have to click on plugins and search for the People. Then you have to click on download now and then free. Alright, so don't forget to check the terms and conditions checkbox, otherwise you will not receive the plugin. If you have some problems with receiving the Lite or the Pro version, please contact our support here and our support agents will send you the plugins. Alright, so in our situation we have already downloaded the People plugin, so let's start with the installation. Firstly, you have to start the Bitnami Redmine. You have to go to the folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then click on the Manager Windows. Here on Manage Servers, please click on Start All. So the web server as well as the database are going to start. It is now running, so let's go and check what's happening there. Alright, Redmine needs a couple of seconds to start, so let's keep refreshing. Okay, here is our Redmine. So let's go to Administration and Information page. This is our current plugins list. So into the end of this video, we are going to have the People plugin here installed. Alright, so let's go back and proceed further with the installation. Okay, so let's open the folder where we have downloaded the plugin and extract the archive. Okay, so this is our plugin. We copy it and then return back to the Redmine. Okay, here you have to open the apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs and then plugins. So please paste the plugin here. Okay. The next thing that you have to do is to go back to our core Redmine folder and then open this one, Use Redmine. Alright, so please change the directory to apps, Redmine, htdocs. Alright, so the first command here that you have to execute is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for the People plugin. Alright. So the next step that we have to do is to run the migration that is done with the following command: bundle exec rake redmine plugins railsave production. So we wait now for the migration to start. Okay, you have to wait a little bit, have to be patient. Alright, so the migration is now running. So we are done. The very last thing that you have to do is to just restart everything. So we go to the Bitnami stack and then click on Restart All. This step is needed because the changes that we have applied the changes that we have done need to be applied. So restarting is the only way to do it. So we wait for the restart to finish. Okay, so now everything is running. Let's go back to Redmine and check what's happening there. We refresh our page, and again Redmine needs some more time to start again. So we keep refreshing. Okay, so we refresh one more time. Alright, so we scroll down and see that the People plugin has just appeared into the plugins list. So we have done our task successfully. We have installed People plugin of RedmineUP on Windows operating system using the Bitnami stack Redmine. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.